Hello friends, welcome to the channel Law and Government Job Exam Cluster. Today in this video we are going to discuss the corrigendum issued by the Union Public Service Commission for the Assistant Public Prosecutor in the Government of NCT of Delhi. Before going further, I would request you to kindly subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon. Also post your comment and queries in the comment section. The Union Public Service Commission has issued a corrigendum for the Assistant Public Prosecutor of Delhi, Government NCT of Delhi, White Advertisement number 10 2021, wherein it is mentioned that reference number F1 107 14 2020 R2 reference is invited to the application advertisement number 02 2021, item number 11 vacancy number 21010211223 published in the Employment News and in the UPSC website on 23rd of January 2021 regarding recruitment to fill up to 80 unreserved 29, EWS 19, OBC 18, SC 05, ST 09 and PWBD 4 vacancies for the post of Assistant Public Prosecutor in Directorate of Prosecution under Home Department, Government of NCT of Delhi, out of which 4 vacancies are reserved PWBD candidate. The GNCT of Delhi has now clarified that the proposal for filing up 80 vacancies for the post of Assistant Public Prosecutor is for the vacancies which occurred prior to 1st of February 2019. The reservation for economically weaker section in civil post in respect of all direct recruitment vacancies is applicable only for vacancies notified after 1st of February 2019. Hence, as per the request of GNCT of Delhi, the 19 vacancies reserved for EWS category may be treated as unreserved vacancies, thereby raising the number of unreserved vacancies to 48. Accordingly, it is notified for information to all the concerned that the number of vacancies in different category for the post of Assistant Public Prosecutor and Directorate of Prosecution under Home Department, Government of NCT of Delhi may be read as unreserved 48, OBC 18, SC 05, ST 09, PWBD 04 instead of 0 unreserved 29, EWS 19, OBC 18, SC 05, ST 09 and PWBD 04. In view of the above, application of all EWS candidates will be treated as application for general category vacancies. All the other terms and conditions would remain unchanged. That means there were total 19 vacancies which were reserved initially for the EWS category, which is now merged with the unreserved vacancies, and thereby the unreserved vacancies has been increased from 29 to 48 and EWS quota vacancies has been abolished in this advertisement. Accordingly, all the EWS candidate who has applied for these posts will be considered under general category vacancy only, and they will not be getting any relaxation under the set category. So the candidate who has applied and is eligible as per unreserved vacancy will now be only eligible to be recruited by this for these posts. Otherwise, if he is not falling and if he has claimed any relaxation under EWS category, he will not be getting those relaxation and he will not be getting the benefit of those. All the vacancies are now treated as unreserved vacancies. This is for the notification for all the concerned, and please make a note of it, especially the people who have applied under EWS category, and for the general category also. There is also this announcement is very crucial. So friends, whosoever is concerned, please make a note of it. Thank you friends, thank you for watching this video and have a very nice day.